Is it not the same North shout against Jonathan? Said that Jonathan and the Alledgely are trying to revenge what Northerners do to them during the Biafran War. It's Biafran War that they are trying to revenge on their people, killing their people. Is it the same Northern? And that time, this vice president, Shetima, was the governor of Borno State. They say Jonathan is using Alledgely to avenge what they did to Biafran during the Biafran War. Then Jonathan removed Alledgely. The same Buhari, I am Mr. Paradeni Okokonde. You see, if you come to Nigerian government, as you said, Turunchi Bello, he himself want negotiation now. Want him and the government to be negotiated. You see, Nigerian governments have been known to be negotiating with terrorists, to be negotiating with the people that carry arms. The only language Nigerian government will hear is when you carry arms. This is why they are good in killing people who did not carry arms. If you come normal Jojo talk, Nigerian government will not listen unless you carry arms. Now, Tunji Bello called Nigerian government, come, let us negotiate. Nigerian government are good in negotiating with such type of people. This is why Tunji Bello, upon all he have done, he comes say, let us negotiate. Okay, negotiate on what? Because Nigerian government have been negotiating with them. This man, what is his name? Former negotiator, bandit negotiator. Shegumi have been negotiating from the time of Babangida. I mean, sorry, not Babangida. Oga, forgive me, make no verse. From the time of Buhari till Tinubu, they have been negotiating. This is why Tunji Bello have the God and say, let us negotiate. Fine, it's a good gesture. Negotiate. Okay, settle me, I will settle you. That's it. Rub my back, I will rub your back. That's it. Now, it's left for the federal government is calling to negotiate with him what will be the step. And if Northern elders or Northerners are crying that Mr. President should not negotiate with them, then why are they crying now? Why do the time Shekugumi is negotiating with other bandits, with the Fulani herdsmen, negotiating for Fulani herdsmen, negotiating for Boko Haram, negotiating for other insurgents? Why can Northern people say, Tinubu, stop? I mean, government of Buhari to Tinubu, stop, don't negotiate. Go after those people. Why not to say that time? Now, in Tinubu time, they don't want Tinubu to negotiate. They want Tinubu to go ahead. They should remember, in the time of Jonathan, when Jonathan refused to negotiate, that time it was only in Northeast. And the government of Jonathan contained them in Northeast. They don't allow them to spread. Is it not the same North shout against Jonathan? Said that Jonathan and the Alledgely are trying to revenge what Northerners do to them during the Biafran War. It's Biafran War that they are trying to revenge on their people, killing their people. Is it the same Northern? And that time, this vice president, Shetima, was the governor of Borno State. They say Jonathan is using Alledgely to avenge what they did to Biafran during the Biafran War. Then Jonathan removed Alledgely. The same Buhari, they call Buhari to be the spokesman. Buhari accused Jonathan that Jonathan is killing innocent people, killing them. But war against Boko Haram is a war against the North. Isn't that what they said? Now, what do they don't want Tinubu to negotiate now? But Tinubu to go ahead and start killing them. Is it now that they know that what those bandits are doing is bad? Is it not that Northerners know that what bandits are doing is bad, that they should be flushed out? When their brother Buhari was there, what did they do? Now they have taken bandits in the name of negotiation. Look, Nigerian treasury, the one that came now, the one that remained, the government, the present government is trying to do its own. Do you know how much enter the sponsor of bandits in not that time through negotiation? Now there's no money in the economy again to take to negotiate. They say Tinubu should not negotiate. Tinubu should go and kill them. And if you watch, Turunchi, Bello, do not cross River Benue and River Niger. Had he been he crossed River Benue and River Niger and do his killings, it could have been that could give him title. Is it not the same as Zamfara? They give a terrorist title. The same Zamfara. Why don't they give Turunchi title now? Rather, they say government should not negotiate. Government should go against them. And even though Turunchi himself, Bello, that come out for negotiation, you know why he come out for negotiation? Maybe it's a trap or poly to get Mr. President himself. Because this gorilla machineries, fear them, they can do undo. They can do undo. Maybe it's a trap again to get Mr. President himself and put to his pocket and tell you, hey, I declare Federal Republic of Nigeria now, Ariwa Republic, Islamic Ariwa Republic state. Who knows? Mr. President Tinubu should be careful. Should be careful. Should clean his eye well. Baba Emilokan Jagaba, clean your eyes well. Make the thing what happen to Ironsi, make it not happen to you. The thing what happen to Ironsi, make it not happen to you. I'm not going to say because you know people man, I'm not going to tell you, I tell you the truth. I'm not going to say because you hold my brother Nnamdi, you don't want to release him, but I will tell you the truth. Make it clean your eye so that the thing what happen to Ironsi not going to happen to you. As you see me, I tell people the truth. I'm not a friend of anybody. I'm not an enemy of anybody. But I will tell you the truth. According to how things is happening. That's my own. So, and Northern elders should remember, or Northern should remember, they are the one that sponsor these people. They are the one that build them up. Now we're spending them. Anyway,
because they see that they cannot stop it.
When the thing is coming up small, they not stop it, but they back them up. Now, the thing now is coming against them. They are shouting, go and crush them. Stop the insurgency. Stop the insecurity in the north. But let me tell you, what Jonathan built for north, what Jonathan made for north, had he been when Buhari enter, Buhari uphold these things. All this nonsense will not stop. Why the bandit leaders are easy to recruit? Because the youth are jobless. If the youth are in the school, studying, tell me when they will have chance to go and train as a militia. Jonathan build the school, build everything, open camps for them, do everything. As Jonathan handed over to Buhari, where are those things now? They vanish it, they destroy it. Now looking for person to blame. May God have mercy and let there be peace in the north. But as for the northern leaders, as for the northern elite, they cause the problem of kidnapping, Fulani herdsmen, Boko Haram, bandit, whatever you call them. They are the cause. Because had it been they stopped them in time, it could not have been like this. It could not have been like this. Because they did not stop them in time. That's why they spread all over. Both the south and north. That's why they spread. But let's see what tomorrow will be. If Tinubu can start to make it to be camp, because when there's camp in the north, there'll be camp in the east, there'll be camp in the west, because the same bandits from north are terrorizing everybody. Good luck to them. I cannot wish them evil. Good luck to them. Let them succeed. Igbos, they say they are going. They are Biafran. They are not Nigeria. They are going. You say no. They should not go. You are forcing yourself to come and be in their midst. They say they don't want. You say you revenge. Tell me what Igbo man will do in Nigeria to please Nigeria. This is to prove to you that North is not, whatever that happen. North is not. Whether Christian, whether Muslim, whether Boko Haram, whether non-Boko Haram, whether Fulani, whether Nupe, whether Hausa, or whether Gwari, call them. North is not. And they have one agenda against Igbo man. All their target is to vanish Igbo man. Now, tell me, I own this coat. This shirt is mine. Then I burn the shirt that it doesn't belong to you. Then you are crying, why should I burn my shirt? IDB time they destroy. Igbo people destroy. Is it any governor from the north to build it? Is it northern money they take to build it? The land, is it northern land? The building, is it northern building? Why are they getting angry that that place was destroyed? Eh? Is it their own property? To show you that what made people to destroy it is reality. People are fearing that they will bring the machineries of occupation, machinery of vendors to come and camp them there, to lodge them there against December 2nd, 2024 coming. That's what they are preparing, so that they will launch attack from that place. If not so, why should not want you to get angry? Say they will revenge. Revenge on what? Do Igbo people burn any property in the north? Did they go to north and do violence? Did they go to north and destroy any building? Did they destroy any northern state house? Set a house. Did they destroy any northern state set a house that made the north get angry? They will revenge. Okay, let them revenge. If they will revenge, then let them burn their own building over there. If they're revenging. If there's any IDP camp built for that place to carry Igbo man to come and launch them there, let them burn that place down. Not they will burn on individual now, that nothing concerns them because they are in their place. They start looting their properties, killing them. That's the only thing they can do. That's the only thing they can do. What are you revenging for? What are you crying for? Is it a force? Eh? Igbos, they said they are going. They are Biafran. They are not Nigeria. They are going. You say no. They should not go. You are forcing yourself to come and be in their midst. They say they don't want. You say you revenge. Tell me what Igbo man will do in Nigeria to please Nigeria. Okay, let us put Biafran issue aside. Let us come to tribe. Let us come to language of tongue. Tell me what Igbo man will do to Nigeria that we do to Nigeria. Anything, kill Igbo man. Anything, kill Igbo man. Anything, kill Igbo. What have Igbo man done? Tell me the crime Igbo man committed. Then we come to a place and develop your place. Sin is a sin. I'm Igbo. You must surely go. Igbo man must surely go. Tell me the crime Igbo people committed in this Nigeria. Igbo people destroy their own property. So you revenge. On what ground? On what ground you are revenging? Did they burn your own property? Open university in Igbo land. Open university Igbo land the money. Not in the north. I wonder, oh. I wonder. Eh? Igbo man not rape your wife. Igbo man not rape your sister. Igbo man not rape your mother. Igbo man did not do anything to hurt you. Rather, they make your place to see light. They develop your place, paying tax to you. How many northern persons come to Igbo land and rent shop, develop it, and paying tax? The one where they give them land for free to occupy and sack the community at last. They push them away. In the north, Igbo man did not. Are they not buying the land? Did they take land forcefully? The government allocated any land to any Igbo man for free in north. Then why do you want to also give man your servant to allocate to land of the people? If you allocate to that one, let themselves stay. Let themselves become another IDP, another displaced people in their own land. If they carry the land of those people, give you, where do you want those people to go and stay? You want them to go and jump inside lagoon or to fly in the air? Let themselves, you want to displace them also. Those community people, that the internal displaced people, that those of them want to help. The state where they displace them, don't they have the land there? Is it only that place they displace them, they have land? Eh? What is the work of the governor there? Governor cannot provide for them. Then it is another governor will provide. Is it not a shameful thing? Your own governor in your own state, they displace you. Your own governor cannot provide accommodation to you. Then you want another governor from another state to provide accommodation. Take money of another state feeding you. Take money of another place, purchase land for you. Another state, another people, another indigenous people, purchase land of indigenous people for you. Is it not crime to that governor that did so? Where is their own governor? What is their own governor doing? Their rep, their senators, what are they doing? Their state house assembly, what are they doing? Then you expecting another tribe, the tribe that you hate, the tribe that you don't want to see, to come and do what? Take their own money, purchase land, allocate to you. You come for free. They will build it. You come for free and leave. When in your place, they will buy land with the approved plan. They will build and paying autonomous rent for the building. They do business, pay you tax for the build for their business. Eh? They will pay NEPA bill, light bill in your state, pay refuge bill in your state, pay water bill in your state. Are they paying to their own state? Where they coming from? Say you're not satisfied. You say you avenge. Avenge of, okay, go and avenge. Anyway, northern youth feel they will avenge. Let them be avenge. They own Nigeria. The law is their hand. They have the power because their leader will back them up. But for these Igbo people, call it South, call it South East, call it Biafra, their leaders are betrayers. If not so, what will make not to have that authentic to say they will establish IDP camp in Biafra land? If not so, if not, you don't be silly leaders that are leading the Igbos in the name of one Nigeria. Okay, Hamufu, why can't they go to North and give them land for IDP camp? Eh? Eh? What happened? Why can't they do so? Eh? They will forcefully, whatever, not an award, mostly from south east, south, whatever they want, they take force, take it without any permission. As these people from this area are slaves to them, as they think that they are slaves to them. Enough is enough. To your tent, to all Israel. This is why they say they won't go. This is what my people say they won't go. Enough is enough. This humiliation, this intimidation, enough is enough. Okay, let them retaliate. Let them revenge. Let them revenge. It is make Biafra to come quickly. Let them kill our people in the north. Let them loot their shops. It will make Biafra to come speedily. Mark it up. The whole world will hear it. Now it's not 1960s. When Gowon and British take propaganda, when there's no communication, British and Gowon take propaganda, cover their atrocity up from 1966 to 1970. Cover it up. Now, the world is one family now.
Do you see this?
Whatever they do now, the whole world will see it.
Do you think this is my little war?
Eh?
Do you think this is my little war?
War waiting.
War.
Which war? Which war? Which war it will lead to? War. I say it will not lead to war, but it will speed the Biafra independent. It will make Biafra independent to come today, even though it will not reach December.
Because they might feel that, you know, the Igbos, they just intentionally just hate them.
Intentionally don't
hate them for them to reject them.
Are we the one that hate them, or are they the one that hate us? Are they not the one killing us in the north? Deborah, they killed Deborah. They follow Nathanas. They kill him, and the riot. They went to loot Igbo's property. They went to loot Igbo's property. Are we the one hate them, or they hate us? They're the ones that hurt us. 2017, and they don't say Igbo people should leave north. If not the intervention of international community, they could have finished Igbos in 2017. They say Igbo should pick north. What have Igbo done? Anyway, I don't blame them. If the Igbos are the cause. If I come to your place, you don't welcome me, I'll go. But you'll be begging them to stay. And not you're saying for free. You're saying paying them, developing their area, making them be wise. I hope their leaders will call them to a correction. And believe you honestly, I don't think that the leaders will support them in what they say. Maybe in some few youth that is not occupied with a tangible thing will come and say this thing. I don't think that is the only time you to say this. Joke apart. As I am now, I will not believe that their leaders will support them on their revenge, because the leaders know the implication. The leaders, whether they're political leaders, whether they're traditional leaders, know the implication of their revenge, and I'm sure they will not support them. I'm sure they will not support them. But if they go ahead, let them revenge. Let them revenge. Then I'll tell you, therefore we come within 1 month.